Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave your thumbs up and leave your comments below. Y'all, today we're going to pick the winner. Well, actually, I've already picked the winner last night, but today I'm going to announce the winner. But first, I got a couple of things I want to tell you about. I want to talk a little bit about the stimulus, and then I will announce the winner, and then I will talk some more about the stimulus stuff. Y'all, my new book is now on my website. Y'all go check it out, please. And I've also added some bundles of books, so you can save a lot of money if you buy the bundles. And my new book is in one of those bundles, so you might want to check those out. My new book is How to Start a Service Business. It tells you how to do the license, everything you need to know is in that book. Y'all go check it out. Might be something you want. The link to my book site is in the description box below. Also, I got more stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives in, so I'll be sending those out to you immediately. Okay, let's get into the stimulus stuff. Nancy Pelosi. She is invoking the 27th Amendment. She is trying to, once again, remove President Trump from office. Will this lady's hate for President Trump ever stop? It is not about is he fit to be president, or if he is or not. It's not about that. It's all about her hate for the man. This lady is consumed by hate. It is so pathetic to see somebody eat up with hate like she is. She reminds me a lot of some of my family. But all of this, what she's trying to do, remove him from office, is a big waste of time. Because November the 3rd, I have a feeling all of them will be removed from office, including her. Now let's talk a little bit about Donald Trump approving the updated stimulus package. Y'all, yesterday morning early, Donald Trump did sign off on the updated stimulus package. That does not mean it's passed yet. It means everybody's agreeing on it. Everybody wants this package, but they still have to formally vote on it. Now, when will they vote on it? We don't know. But it has to be voted on by the House and then by the Senate before it becomes a law. That was just an agreement, an approval, but actually to get signed into law, it's got to be voted on. And everybody knows it's going to be approved. It's just a matter of when. As we know, the House and the Senate is out on recess, but they are on a 24-hour notice. That means they can be called back to vote at any time. And when they're called back, they have to be back in Washington within 24 hours to vote on the bill. If they're not back in 24 hours, they lose their vote. That would be very bad for them to lose a vote, not to even vote on a package. That would be very bad for their home state. They would not be voted back into office. That would be political suicide if they don't go back to Washington. Okay, the Donald Trump cards. Y'all, he is mailing these cards out. They're $200 a piece, and they are to help pay for your medical drugs, the co-pays on those drugs. And I think you can buy food with them too. I am not sure about that, so don't quote me on that. But it seems like I remember hearing somebody say you could also buy food with these cards. Now these cards, he's having a little bit of trouble with the wording on the card. He wants his name on the cards, and they're trying to figure out a way to put his names on the card. Who cares whose name is on the card? Put Mickey Mouse on it. Just get the cards out to the people that needs it. He is sending a letter out letting everyone know that's going to get the card. He's sending a letter to them to let them know that the card is on the way. It's just may not be there before Election Day. The letter will be there before Election Day. But the letter itself, to send it out, to generate that letter for the postage and everything, $19 million. And yes, it will have his name on it. Now let's talk about what would be in this updated stimulus package. Y'all, we don't know for sure. We won't know until they release it. But all indications points to this. Stimulus checks, $1,200 for all filers, $500 for all dependents. SSI, SSDI, and Social Security railroad benefits will get it. If you owe back child support, you will get it. If someone was able to garnish your last one, they will not be able to garnish this one. Basically, if you got it before, you'll get it this time, and a lot more people will get it. It looks like $150 billion for schools will be in it. $250 billion for state and local government will be in it. $400 per week for unemployment until January 1 will be in it. Liability protection and money for testing will be in it. Now, y'all, these numbers could change. We don't know. But the one thing that we are sure on is the stimulus checks, the $1,200 and the $500. We're sure on that. These stimulus checks, like I said, will be going out to everyone that got it before and to even more people. So I know a lot of people is going to be asking, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, will they get it? Yes, you will get it. I wouldn't even want to imagine what would happen if they tried to exclude those people. Okay, y'all, the winner of the contest. Let's talk about this. First of all, I want to tell you how I picked the winner. Y'all, only a few people did what I asked in the contest. Y'all, please, in the future contest, pay close attention to what I ask so you will have a chance to win. Unless you do exactly what I ask you to do, you will not win the prize. So make sure you do what I ask. This time I ask to leave a comment. And the comment was going to be, if you had all the money in the world and you could take your dream vacation and get pampered when you're on vacation, what would you do? This was supposed to be for fun, not all the doom and gloom stuff. It was going to be for pampering yourself and having fun. Okay. So, the winner is, are y'all ready for this? I've kept you in suspense long enough. The winner is Robin Moore. Robin Moore, please get in touch with me. You can email me through my website. The links are in the bottom. Give me your PayPal email address or either your home address. Wait, not your PayPal address. I don't need that. I need your home address. I'm used to the money giveaway. This is not a money giveaway. This giveaway is for a stun gun, a pepper spray, and a tactical knife, and a button. So, give me your home address and I will send it to you priority mail. You'll get it very fast. Congratulations. Y'all, I'm going to share with you what she had to say in her comment. And I agree with her. This sounds great. If she ever gets to go, I hope she'll take me with her because this sounds like something I'd want to do. She said, I've never been on vacation, but to pamper myself, I would love to go to Bora Bora. Me too. That's always been one of my favorite places to go. I've never been there, but I want to go. She says, when I get there, I will get a full body massage. I will get my hair done and then just relax in the warm water. You might want to relax in the warm water before you get your hair done, though. She says, oh my, how wonderful that would be. Yes, it would be. And I want to go too. Congratulations again, Robin Moore. Please get in touch with me so I can send your prizes to you. Okay, a little bit more on the updated stimulus package. Larry Kudlow had a news release yesterday morning early where he broke the news about the approval of the updated stimulus package. He was very excited about this. I have never seen this man so excited. Normally he looks kind of dead, but he was excited reporting this. This was totally a different Larry. He knows it's about to get done. But y'all, I will say this again. It is not set in stone yet. So still, don't hold your breath until it's done. But it is looking very, very, very good that it will happen soon. Like Conway Twitty said in that song, you've never been this far before. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Okay, my new book. Please check it out. It's in the links below. Check out the new book bundles that I've got. And please watch this video that's popping up here. The Self-Publishing Mastery course is going very good. It's going so much better than I ever dreamed it would. Y'all, I've got a lot of people in this course already. And if you want in, you can still get in. Y'all, this course is not $1,000 like everybody else is charging. This course is only $35. It should take you about a week to finish this course. It's not a very big course at all. It's 6 modules. At the end of this course, you will, if you do everything that the course tells you to do, you will have your own ebook at the end of this course. And it will be published on my website, Making You Money. I will get no pay for this. This will be just your first book will be put on my website with your pay button. So the money will go directly to you when it's sold. And I get a lot of traffic to my book website, and I sell a lot of books. This will get a lot of eyes in front of your new book. And also you can publish your book on any other third-party platform. And it don't have to be just ebooks. When you go to like Amazon or somewhere like that, you can have a print book also. But on my site, I can only do ebooks. Y'all, just know I love you all. We will get through this by the grace of God. And again, congratulations, Robin Moore. Please get in touch with me so I can send your prizes to you. I love you all. Until later on, ciao.